Matrix checklist maker. More information about from the fleet maintenance standards. As we described in the previous video, that's the main window of the checklist maker. There is few additional buttons on the left side. You can enlarge the working area just to remove the Excel menu, which you don't need actually. Sometimes when you're scrolling up, you would like to freeze and see the rows or columns. It's 3 different views when you editing the existing checklist. So every time when you're changing information, first during the load of equipment and additional information, it will be turned red. When the load completed, it will be colored light blue. That's when you're importing the Maximo Planet Maintenance's job. That's the additional information, option and settings additionals. When you're deleting some listing or equipment, you're using this recycling bucket. 3 different views. When you're ready to create the printed checklist, and when you're adding the checklist, there is some information just collapsing this help column. Okay, let's see more information. The general information will be used when you're printing the checklist: the vessel name, route number, review date, name of the manager. Right now it's loaded all departments, so when you change here, you will see it's affected information there. It's deck department loaded. Name of database, not used right now. Version number, domain. That's the default values when you're adding the checklist. New checklist will be using from here. That's the settings. General system. So the vessel consists of this vessel general system. Each system consists of the components. That's the system's components. And when you adding information to checklist, you're using this additional information, and this is more description for that information. Departments, activity, you can edit the activity. Let's increase the view. Let's go back to the options. Activity, classification activity. You actually can edit this one and enter your own information and just make it white so it will be clear. You can, for instance, there is too much wording, you can edit this one, or you can add check count, or you would like to put it like that so it will be in the checklist like that view. More description. So this will be on the printed checklist or in the equipment stored, and we will go to that later. Let's go through the buttons. So that's the general system, system components, classification activity, descriptive system, which used in the fleet maintenance standard, type of work, authority, levels, what it means. Level 1, so done by crew. Level 2, some of the work is performed by shore-based and contracted services. Frequency, domain names, abbreviation and names. Location on board, you can edit this one. Units used in the description of the equipment. Structure of database, just for information. This function you will be using when you're in the checklist. That's the general description of the computerized plant maintenance system, which is Matrix. And more information how the PMs are created in the Maximo. Some which maximum numbers, description of the maximum numbers, you can read it from here. And what else? This is the maximum. And there is more information about drills, immersion drills, and equipment maintenance, safety equipment maintenance. How frequent you should do the boat drill, how you're supposed to do the maintenance for the CBA or navigation equipment services. And you can see there is displayed minimum information in the seal. If you would like to read more information, double click and you can read it, and scroll with the arrows. Then you can scroll with the arrows up and down. And let's go back. So that's two windows, main window and data window or sheet, worksheet. And you can see it's on the tabs here on the bottom, main and data. Data, main window. Or you can use the buttons, go to the data or main window when you enlarge the working area. Okay, thank you for attention, and we will see how to add new checklists in the next video, number 3. Have a nice day. Bye.